Welcome back everybody. In this video, I will discuss how I have set up the light and dark theme setting for this particular app. Let me switch to VS Code. Here I have created a file named as app theme, and this app theme will use some colors which is present inside the app color files, which is present inside the values folder. Let me open app color file. Here I have created a class app color and I have created some light theme colors, some dark theme colors and some more colors which will be used throughout the application. If more colors are required, I will add to this particular file. Now I will move to app theme. In the app theme you can see I have created a light color scheme, and in the primary I am using app color dot light primary color. This means I am using the color from the app color file. Correct. Similarly, I have set all these properties, and since this is a light color scheme, in the brightness I have set brightness dot light. Now I have created a dark color scheme, and in the brightness I have set brightness dot dark. Then I have created a function theme data which is taking color scheme and color. Now here I have created a variable light theme data of type theme data, and here I have called theme data function where I am passing the light color scheme and the light focus color. This light focus color I have defined here, and I have set the color as colors.black with opacity 0.12. Similarly, I have created one more variable dark theme data, and here during calling theme data function I am passing dark color scheme and dark focus color. This dark focus color is defined here, and I have set the color as colors.white with opacity 0.12. Now inside the theme data function you can see that I have returned theme data, and in the color scheme I have set the color scheme which has been passed to this theme data function. And for this app bar theme I have set all these properties. Here one thing to notice is that I have used Google Fonts package, and from the Google Fonts package I am using Google Fonts.monstrate. Correct. Now nothing to discuss here, all these properties I have defined here. Here I am just giving you the idea how I have set up the theme. Correct. Now these are the properties which I have set, and one thing I will discuss here is that in the text theme you can see I have used title large, and in the title large I have used Google Fonts.monstrate, and in the font size I have set it as 14, and in the color I am checking if the brightness is light then the color is this, otherwise the color is this. Similarly, I have used this title medium, and for this title medium I have set the font size as 12, and here again I have checked if the brightness is light then the color is this, else the color is this. And for this divider color, again I have checked if the brightness is light then the color will be this, else the color will be this. In this way I have set up the theme for this particular app. Correct. That's it for today's video. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.